Good evening, good evening. Well, good morning. This is your host Bizzi from Bizzi's Food and Treats. Today I'm finna make some golden blood red candy apples. Right here, I have my pot here. I have my 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of water, and excuse me. And make sure you have your light Cairo corn syrup. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pour your 2 cups of sugar into your pot. Make sure all your stuff is clean. Make sure you have a Candied thermometer where it won't burn. And let's get to it. First, we're gonna start with your 2 cups of sugar. Pour it in. We're gonna do 1 cup, one half cup of water, and we're gonna have half cup of Cairo syrup. Follow these directions correctly, you won't go wrong. Pour that in. Okay. Now we're gonna stir this until all your ingredients are evenly incorporated. Evenly incorporated. You don't want too much, you don't want too little. This right here, I'm gonna do a half batch, which makes about 3-4 candy apples, give or take. Optional, you can add your coloring at the beginning, or you can do it at the end. Which this one, I'm gonna do it at the beginning. Okay. Now let's evenly. I'm gonna take my blood red sauce, and I'm gonna put about 6 shots in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Still a little bit in there, but yeah. Now we're going to turn this. We're going to mix this all up real well. Let that get nice and red. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put your thermometer in and make sure this tip right here doesn't touch the bottom of your pot. And we're going to cook this at 300 degrees. Because if you stick your thermometer all the way down, it's going to give it off a false reading. Okay. Now we're going to turn your your stove on to medium-high heat between 6 and 7 till that comes to 300 degrees. In the meanwhile, while that's cooking up over there, we're going to get you a pan with parchment paper on it, and I'm using non-stick canola oil, and I'm gonna evenly spray my parchment paper that keeps it from sticking. It's like so. And we're going to take something, like get you like a paper towel or a napkin and just wipe over it. Give it an even flow. Right over your front there. Okay. Now, what I have here, these are Granny Smith apples. These have been sitting, washed for 48 hours. 40 hours. They look brown because they were green. They look brownish, golden color, but this is what you want. As you can see the shine off of that. And this is what you want. So have your apples already ready. Let me see if I can get you over here so you can see what this is looking like here.